Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to get started with your ebook. So when you click on the code and sign in to Book Creator, you're going to just use your Gmail address, your school address, so you don't have to make up a new password. Keep it simple. Sign in with Google. Easy peasy. The code I gave you is going to take you right to our library. Our library includes several different books. You need to click on the right book to find your name. The books are divided up by class, except the remote classes are all together in one class because they're a little bit smaller. If you aren't sure what class you're in, check your Google Classroom because they're named after Red B, Red A, so then you can know. For the example, I'm going to use the example book. So to work on the book, you're going to click on the editing pencil. And then you'll see the title page. You're not going to touch that or the first two pages. So the easiest way to find your pages is to go up to the left and click on the word pages. And you'll see all the different names. So for my example, we're going to be person B, and we're going to click on that page. So every person has two pages. Let's look at my examples first. So here's my examples. Let's take a look at what it looks like in the book. This is pretty cool. So let's start the book at the beginning. Look, it says, "This I believe." My face is in the way, sorry. "This I believe example." And then we turn the pages and there's a little excerpt explaining what This I Believe is about from their website, a link to the website, and then links to the different pages. So you can flip through or you can go straight to someone's name. So we'll go to my example. On your left-hand page, you're going to have your list of beliefs, which I'll go over. And then on your right-hand page, you're going to have what you wrote about your belief. And then you're going to decorate it because that's part of your grade. You can insert videos and pictures and all sorts of cool things. And I'll show you how to do that. So for this example, I'm going to be person B, and I'm going to go back to editing. So if you're looking at the book, to go back to being able to work on it, you click on the edit. If you're working on it and you want to read the book like normal, you go to this play sign up in the right. So the play sign and the edit are what get you in between the two things. So on your first page, you're going to put the list you have here from your fill in the beliefs assignment. So open up that assignment, copy that list, copied, and then to add something, then you simply press the plus sign. So to add text, you press the plus sign, click on text, and then I'm going to paste my writing, and then I'm done. And then you can play around with the size and stuff. So these dots on the side size your text box. If you want to change the layout of your text box, like the font and the size, you got to click on it so that it's highlighted. It's got the square around it, the dots on it. Then you click on the I, which is all your super fun setup stuff. We've got a few fonts to choose from. Let's choose, I'm going to go with Emily's Candy. That's a fun one. And then you can make it bigger, 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 smaller, smaller, smaller. You can center it. You can make it spaced out. You can do all sorts of different things. You can make it bold. You can give it a background. Lots of options. So that's how you enter a text box in. On the next page, which is your name and then continued, you're going to do another text box. And you're going to go to your explanation of belief assignment, copy everything from that, and put it into that text box. And then say done. And so that's kind of big. So I'm going to just shrink up that font size to make sure that it fits on my page and play around with that. So that's how to put your words into the ebook. Next, I'm going to show you in another video how to do fun things on the ebook. Okay, the end.